Hi students, second take-up, fourth sem, C programming in C. Our previous classes data types completed. Next one, what is algorithm, what is a flowchart symbols, key features of algorithm syllabus will be completed. Today to discuss about this structure of a C program. Structure of a C program. Structure of a C program. The general structure of a C program language subdivided into different sections. Language is divided into different sections. First one, documentation section. Documentation section. Second one, preprocessor directive section. Preprocessor directive section. Preprocessing directive section divided into A part, B part is a linkage section. Linking section. B is a definition section. Third one is a global variable declaration section. Global variable declaration section. Fourth one is a main function. Fourth one. Fifth one is a local variable declaration section. Local variable declaration section. Sixth one is a executable part. Seventh one is a user defined section. This is the structure of a C program. First one is documentation section. Documentation section is also known as the comment section. Comment lines representation is called by star by star. This is the represented by star. This is the comment section. Comment section is not a executable section. This is only explain the statements in C programming. This is the non-executable statements. Comment section is a non-executable statements. Started by star by. This is the by star means start the comment line. By star and means ending the comment line section. This is the line of comment, multi-line comments. This is called multi-line comments. First one is a comment line section. The next one is a preprocessor directive section. First one is a comment line. This is the documentation section is a comment line. Next is a preprocessor. Preprocessor means hash include is used to the preprocessor directive. The preprocessor directive is defined the something before compiling the program divided into two sections. Linking section or definition section. Linking section is included the header files. Including the header section. Definition section, we can define the constant variable with values. Definition section is define the constant variable with values. This is the definition section. Third one, global variable section. If you want to use variable throughout the program, this variable is used to the entire program. This variable is used to the entire program is used to the global variable section. Global variable section is the declared outside of the main function. Declared outside of the main function. Main function ki outside అంటే గ్లోబల్ వేరియబుల్ ఆర్ డిక్లేర్ గ్లోబల్ వేరియబుల్ని మనం ఎలా డిక్లేర్ చేస్తామంటే మెయిన్ ఫంక్షన్కి అవుట్ సైడ్ డిక్లేర్ చేసేదాన్ని గ్లోబల్ వేరియబుల్ అంటారు. గ్లోబల్ వేరియబుల్ ఈజ్ ఆటోమేటికలీ ఇనిషియలైజ్డ్ విత్ 0. ఆటోమేటిక్గా గ్లోబల్ వేరియబుల్ 0 తోటి ఇనిషియలైజ్ చేయబడి ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ఎ మెయిన్ ఫంక్షన్. మెయిన్ ఫంక్షన్ ఈజ్ ఏ every C program is used to the main function. Every program starts with main function. Main function is an important section in every C program. We cannot write a program without main function. Main function లేకుండా మన ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాయలేం. Executable starts from main function. Execution starts with main function నుంచి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. End of the main function representative of the program execution. Next one, local variable declaration. Fifth one is a local variable declaration. Variable are used, main program are declared by using local variable declaration statements. Local variable statements are declared only. These variables are available within the blocks only. This local variable is a within the blocks. This variable is used to the within the blocks only. Global variable is a this variable are used to the entire program. Only local variable is a within the blocks only. Variables are used to the within the block. Next one, executable part. Executable part is the reading and writing. Executable part means reading, writing the processing statements. Reading and writing processing of the statements is called the executable statements. This is the input-output functions, library functions, and formulas and control statements is used to the control statements. Formulas are used to the executable part. Next one, seventh one is a user-defined section. User-defined section. This function, user-defined functions, is used to the function is called the subprograms, which are called the calling statements from main function. Calling the statements from main function నుంచి మనము కాలింగ్ చేసుకునే దాన్ని మెయిన్ ఫంక్షన్లో నుంచి కింద మనం కాల్ చేసుకునే దాన్ని యూజర్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫంక్షన్ అని అంటారు. ఎవ్రీ సబ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఫంక్షన్ హ్యాస్ ఎ లోకల్ వేరియబుల్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఆర్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటబుల్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ సిమిలర్ టు ది మెయిన్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ function, this is the function, open, this is the statements, close. This is the function, declaring the function statement semicolon. This is the introduction of structure of a C program. Now this is the program of C structure ki oka program kuda మనం నేర్చుకోవాలి. ఓకే.